Good morning and welcome. I hope this is going to be an interesting video for you. We usually like to make soap and we bath with it and we clean all kinds of sorts of things with it. But I'm going to teach you how to use a tallow laundry soap, as we could call it Boerseep in Afrikaans in South Africa, as a dry upholstery cleaner. Now, you're going to need a bar of soap, obviously. This is my Boerseep. This is what it looks like on my website as well. And you are going to need a bowl, a little bit of water, lukewarm, because it's easier on the hands and it's just more, it's nicer to touch in anyhow. You're going to need a brush, a sponge, a damp cloth and a dry cloth, and then obviously something dirty. So, okay, I was searching. My car now have leather seats. My previous car had cloth seats, and this is where I actually found it working so nicely the first time, because I washed the upholstery and I thought, oh my goodness, it's brown seats, I'm washing the coloring out, and then I realized I actually had light gray seats in the car. I bought it with cream colored seats and I thought that was the color. I just didn't realize it was that dirty. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to do this. It's actually quite easy. You're going to take your bowl and you're going to add a tiny little bit of water in it. Like in really just a tiny bit. There we go. And then you're going to take your sponge and you're going to put it in and you're going to suck the water up. If you can suck up all the water, it's about the right amount that you've got there. Okay, let me just pull up my sleeves. Am I in shot there? Let's just move this one around. Then you're going to take your soap. This is one of the bar ends, and you're just going to rub it on your sponge and wet it a little bit more, and you're going to start to massage the sponge. So at first you're going to get some water out of it, and then you're just going to keep going here, and you're going to end up with this rich thick lather. So okay, just keep on sucking up all the water and just pressing it until you've got this very rich dense lather here. Okay, so first part done. Okay, let's see, put it there, you can see that. Okay, and let me get a dirty cushion. I had to really search for something to clean for this video. Okay, let's just move out a little bit here. Where's my damp cloth and my dry cloth? Okay, I hope you guys can see this. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take this foam of yours and you're going to apply some of this foam to the dirty upholstery. Just let it sit there for a moment so that the soap can start to loosen some of the dirt there. And then you're going to take your little brush and you're going to brush it. Then you're going to take your damp cloth and you're just going to wipe it and see if you are happy with it or not. Now there I can already see on camera even that there is already a lightly colored or lighter colored piece showing through. I see I've got a few stain spots here. I don't think I'm going to really put effort in to try to get it out. I just wanted to show you guys how to make dry foam. Okay, this is not completely dry, but there is such little moisture that you actually get into your upholstery that it's just a tiny little layer that's going to dry up quickly. Okay. Take your dry cloth, your wet cloth, or damp cloth, it's not really damp, wet, and you can rinse it if you want to. And just wipe it off again. you want to get rid of as much soap as possible. There we go. And then dry cloth, just to get rid of as much of the moisture as possible. And I think it kind of proves the point that it's working. Let me just move this a bit lower. You've got a much lighter spot here. So this is still wet. So when fabric is wet, it usually shows up darker than what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, there you go. This is how you use your laundry soap or Boerseep as a dry foam cleanser for upholstery. And the first time that I've learned from this was actually one of my clients that bought bath soap from me and then a few bars of Boerseep. And then at some stage she started to buy 4 bars a week. And I thought, lady, are you eating this stuff? What are you doing? Because laundry soap usually lasts a long time. This is a hard bar of soap and it stretches really, really far. And I asked her what she's doing with it, and she told me that they've got a car wash and that actually does the valets and cleaning the seats with the Boerseep. So they went through a lot of it every week, not complaining. And then yeah, COVID happened and the car wash closed down, and I lost her as a car wash Boerseep client. But I'm so glad that I've learned this from her, because this is really an excellent thing to clean your stuff with, easy to make, and yeah, it's very cheap to make. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video again. Keep well, stay safe, and yeah, be blessed.